The Kawasaki ZX-10R is now available with an extended warranty and an AMC annual maintenance contract. Kawasaki India has announced the launch of an extended warranty and an AMC for the ZX-10R. This move is expected to give buyers of the ZX-10R more peace of mind and a better overall ownership experience. The Kawasaki ZX-10R is one of the quickest motorcycles in the world. It is one of the most loved superbikes out there with a large number of fans. The motorcycle comes with a standard warranty of 2 years or 30,000 kilometers. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is offering an extended warranty of 2 additional years and 20,000 additional kilometers. This leads to a total warranty coverage of 4 years or 50,000 kilometers. The extended warranty is priced at Rs 53,065. It will cover all expected mechanical and electrical problems that crop up as a result of manufacturing defects. Kawasaki has made this extended warranty transferable. In case the owner of the motorcycle decides to sell the motorcycle during the 4th year or 50,000 kilometer period, the warranty can be transferred to the next owner too. The only condition is that the motorcycle must be serviced at an authorized Kawasaki dealership as per the service schedule. Kawasaki is also now offering an annual maintenance contract for the ZX-10R. The AMC comes with 8 free services and covers the cost of carrying out regular maintenance work. Procedures like engine oil change, oil filter change, brake caliper change or cleaning, etc. will no longer attract a labor cost if the ZX-10R is covered by the AMC. The Kawasaki AMC is priced at Rs 47,461 for the ZX-10R. The Kawasaki K Care package has been introduced for those who wish to purchase the annual maintenance contract as well as the extended warranty for the ZX-10R. It combines the benefits of both schemes. Buyers of the K Care package will get an extended warranty of 2 additional years or 20,000 kilometers and 8 scheduled services. The Kawasaki K Care package is priced at Rs 73,263 and can be opted for at your nearest Kawasaki dealership. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.